Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. In this video, I'm going to share a very beautiful, simple and easy design patterns that how all our embroidery designs, simple mini floral embroidery designs could be used for a wide variety of reasons. You can make baby dresses, baby bonnets, cushion covers could also be designed. You can also beautify the creativity and beauty of your cushion covers by making these very beautiful all over floral embroidery patterns. You can design your handbags, everyday bags, any type of fabricated or leather material bags could be designed. Your everyday mini accessory bags like your pouches could be designed by using these beautiful floral embroidery patterns, and the scope is not only limited to this. You can also design a wide variety of items like as per your own choices. These DIY floral items could be used as making your summer hats or winter hats. You can design them beautifully by using these all over floral embroidery patterns. You can make these beautiful and simple floral patterns onto your hand embroidered and hand knitted crochet made warm woolen stuffs of your baby girls. Even you can design these onto your cardigans, ponchos, sweaters, and many more creativities as per your choices. You can also make these patterns onto face masks, anti-pollution masks, onto your everyday school going, college going, office going bags. Simple and easy beginner friendly embroidery stitches like French knot, satin stitch, lazy daisy stitch, stem stitch have been used to design these patterns, and to design a one floral mini flower effort of 1 to 2 minutes is required. These are very easy, time saving and beginner friendly patterns. So I hope that you like the idea and designs of our today's collection. Guys, one more thing, if you are new and you haven't subscribed, kindly don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos with your friends and family. And in the comment section, leave the comment which design you like the most and why. And one more thing, that we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and idea and intent of our making videos is to share creative and beautiful designs only with the community who loves hand embroidery, thread work, or the art of hand embroidery. So I would recommend you to try these patterns and share your experiences with us. And stay tuned for the latest new upcoming videos. And on our channel, you can get a wide variety of hand embroidery designs and ideas with which you can be a designer of your own and can explore the fashion world in a new perspective. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Keep watching us, keep loving our content.